Welcome, Mission Builders. Hey there, I am Coach Lynette, and I am so excited to have you here in boot camp, where you are now part of a global kingdom building movement. In our journey together, we will unpack our complete, my friends, step-by-step mission building process to help you with our 7 steps. How to discover your big why and embrace your holy ache. 2, how to dismantle those enemy lies and decide to get in agreement with what God has for you and your assignment. We help you draft your blueprint, develop your signature program, determine what we call our LZ, our landing zone. What do you want the end to look like? And then this is the fun part. We draw up the roadmap, the best route to help you get there. And finally, my friends, you are going to be able to set a launch date and deploy your dream. Besides that, you get the global connections and the valuable kingdom relationships you build, and you network as you connect with other mission builders just like you. So here it is, my friends. Here's a big warm welcome from Coach Lynette, and I just cannot wait to meet you and see you on the inside.